creating coupons in myCred, right? Coupons add-on, right? Coupons that your users can redeem for points, right? You'll create a coupon, right? You'll assign a coupon code. Then when your user places that code, then they will get some points, right? And it can be a powerful marketing tool also, right? So let's go to dashboard, then to myCred, and then to coupons, right? No coupon found. Click here, create new coupon code. So code will be test 001. You can assign anything here, right? Just coupon code, short, make it short, right? Now coupon setup value, the amount of points a user receives when redeeming this coupon, right? So how much points you want to give a user? For example, 20,000 for redeeming this coupon, right? And you can see here expiry date. You can also assign the expiry date of the coupon, right? Right now I'll leave it blank. Coupon limits, global maximum, the maximum number of times this coupon can be used in total in your site wide, in total, right? Once this is reached, the coupon is automatically trashed. So for example, if you set it 2, then this coupon can be used only 2 times in total, right? In site wide. And user maximum, you can see here the maximum number of times this coupon can be used by a user, right? You can assign 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, right? So it will be best if you assign 1 time, right? Or it depends on how you are creating a content in your site, right? So for in this case, let's make it 2 for total, right? Site wide, and for per user only 1 time, right? So you can click here, publish. Now the most important thing, right? You can see here myCred, go to general setting, right? Then to coupons, right? Then update the setting. If you will not do this, then shortcode will not work, right? Now go to some post here, all posts, this one, let's view it. You can see nothing here, down there, right? No coupon box. And let's edit this one, right? Let's add the shortcode. myCred load coupon, right? Update. Then reload the page. Now you can see here coupon, right? So test 001 was the coupon code. Now apply the coupon. Now you can see that you have already used this coupon, right? I tested it already. Now let's go to coupon and let's edit that. Edit and global maximum 2, per user 2. Let's make it 2, right? Update. And now it's reload this, confirm. You can see here 20,000 successfully deposited into your account, right? Now let's see the log, what happened in the site log. Now you see here I tested with this one 10,000, right? Coupon usage, 10,000 coupon redemption, right? Now just before we used that 20,000 coupon code, right? So here is the 20,000. It means that in my user account there must be 30,000 plus points, right? Now let's see. You can see here, right? 30,100 total points in my site, right? So in this way you can use the coupon in myCred.